Hey John, do you have any plans for the summer?
Not yet, actually. I was thinking about taking a short trip somewhere. What about you?
That sounds nice. I've been looking at a few destinations. Have you decided where you'd like to go?
I'm not sure. I want somewhere relaxing, but not too far. Maybe a beach destination. How about you?
I was considering going to Italy. I've always wanted to visit Rome and Venice. What do you think?
Italy sounds amazing. I'd love to see the Colosseum. Do you have a specific time in mind?
I was thinking of going in late June. The weather should be great, and it won't be as crowded as in July or August. But I'm not sure about the flights yet.
That sounds perfect. I looked up flights to Italy last week, and they were pretty reasonable for June. But have you considered where you'll stay? Hotels or something else?
I'm leaning towards staying in an Airbnb. I think it'll be more affordable and have a more authentic experience. Plus, I can cook my own meals. Have you used Airbnb before?
Yeah, I've used it a few times. It's a great option, especially for longer stays. You get to experience the city like a local. What kind of places are you looking at? Near the tourist spots or a bit away from the crowds?
I prefer staying somewhere central, close to all the main attractions. I think it'll be easier to explore the city without wasting time on transport. But I want to find a quieter neighborhood too. I don't want it to be too noisy.
That makes sense. I always try to stay in neighborhoods that are less touristy, but still close to the main attractions. I find it's more peaceful and gives you a better local experience.
Exactly. And I've heard Venice is beautiful, but it can get really crowded. So I'll probably go early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid the tourists.
Good idea. The best times to explore are always early morning or evening. You get to enjoy the place without the crowds. Do you plan on renting a car, or will you be using public transport?
I'm planning to use public transport. I think it's the easiest way to get around in Italy, especially in cities like Rome and Venice. Plus, I'd love to try the trains and buses.
I agree. The train system in Italy is excellent. You can travel between cities easily. If you're planning to visit more than one city, the trains are perfect. You won't need a car at all.
That's true. I was thinking of visiting Florence as well. It's a short train ride from Rome, so I could do a day trip there. Have you ever been to Florence?
Yes, I've been. Florence is amazing. The art, the history, it's a must-see. Definitely try to visit the Uffizi Gallery and the Duomo. It's incredible.
I'll make sure to add those to my list. What about food? Any recommendations for Italy?
Oh, you're going to love the food. You must try authentic pizza in Naples and gelato everywhere. In Rome, I recommend trying carbonara at a local restaurant. You'll never taste anything like it.